What's up everyone, it's Winstoney coming back to you with a protein treatment for hair growth. Now for those of you that don't know, a protein treatment is a form of deep conditioner that focuses on adding protein to your hair versus a moisturizing deep conditioner which focuses on moisturizing your hair and scalp if you have dry hair. A protein treatment is pretty straightforward and it doesn't take that long to do. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how effective you want the treatment to be, and you can do the whole thing in the shower. The first thing you want to do is shampoo your hair to get rid of all the dirt and product buildup, which I've already done. Then you'll want to apply the protein treatment to your hair. There are plenty of ways of making homemade protein treatments, but today I'll be using this protein packet I got from Walmart called African Royale Hot 6 Thick and Long Treatment, which I got for about $1.50. I'll have a link to it in the description. You want to apply it starting from your scalp and working your way down to the ends of your hair. Hair is made mostly of protein, which is why adding protein to it will help it grow. In my How to Grow Your Hair Overnight video, I use egg in the treatment. An egg is full of protein, so it helped my hair grow longer. Once you're done applying the treatment, you want to let it sit in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want the treatment to be more effective, you can place a plastic cap over your hair and use a blow dryer to blow heat on it for 10 to 15 minutes. After you let it sit in your hair, rinse it out with lukewarm water, condition your hair, and rinse again. This is how my hair looks with everything rinsed out and it being about 90% dry. You can't tell, but this left my hair feeling really soft. One thing to remember is you never want to have too much protein in your hair because that can be just as harmful. You know your hair needs protein if you experience breakage, damage, or split ends, or even hair loss. If your hair feels hard after this treatment, you want to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner treatment. Protein treatments should only be done every 4 to 6 weeks to prevent damaging your hair. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next week.